Hi everyone, my name is Dunthor Komkham, and today I'm present my senior project proposal titled Analysis and Control of Renewable Energy Integration into Smart Grid for Power System Stability. For the first topic, background and problem to be solved. As the world transitions toward clean energy, renewable energy sources like solar and wind are increasing integrated into power system. However, their sources are highly intermittent and unpredictable, causing instability in the electrical grid. To address this, smart grid has been developed system and use automatic control, real-time monitor, and data communication to handle fluctuation. Despite this advancement in integration of renewables still present significant technical challenge, particularly in maintaining system stability. Our project aims to analyze and design control strategy that can efficiently respond to this rapid change and ensure grid stability. For the next topic, objective of the project. This project had a three key objectives. One, to analyze how renewable energy affect power system stability. Two, to develop or design appropriate control system and smart grid. Third, to simulate and test different scenarios to evaluate the effectiveness of this control system. For the next topic, about tools and knowledge and resource to be used. To achieve this goal, I will use simulation software like MATLAB, Simulink, or PSCAD. Different types of control systems including PID, fuzzy logic, and possibly machine learning based controller. Input data such as load profile and renewable generation pattern, either real or simulated. Next to reference, this project is grounded in existing literature, including 1. Power system stability and control by. Yes, you can see a reference in the box, in the red box. Okay. Next topic is existence key existence outcome. By the end of the project, I expect to deliver a work smart grid model capable in integrating renewable energy without compromising stability, and design recommendation for effective control strategy, and the possibility of contribute to academic research or future development in a real-world application. For the next topic, about method for validation. To validate the project, I will simulate scenario like load fluctuation and voltage dip, then compare the system performance before and after control system implementation. The key indicators such as frequency, duration, and voltage stability index will be used to measure success. For the timeline, for the project's timeline, I think the first semester study theoretical background and part research, build a system model and simulation software, and perform initial testing. For the second semester, I I will improve the model and integrate advanced control system and next to conduct experiment and analyze outcome, finalize the project and prepare for report submission and possible publication. Conclusion: in summary, this project tackles a real and urgent challenge in model power system by combining renewable energy, smart grid technology, and control engineering. I look forward to exploring and solving this challenge through simulation and design. Thank you for your attention.